Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Ever since we're back at so we finally got our hands on the keys for 2023 Honda Accord right here. So I know a lot of people are upset about it, and it's super windy out. So hopefully you guys could hear me in the mic that I've plugged into. And yeah, this is what the front looks like. LEDs, as you can see, turn signals, unlock and lock. You got the badge right in it now, so you can't really swap this out. It's already in the inside unless this whole piece come out and put another one aftermarket one on. I know all of you guys want to do thinking if you could modify and stuff like that. So heads up, no fog lights, just vents over there going on the sides. And honestly, from the front, it looks like a Ford to me. So comment below what you guys think. I know it's a big down. I gotta be honest with everybody out there. I know you guys have been commenting on my channel too and my Instagram, so I'm thinking how bad that went from that 2022 right there, 2.0, to like stop to making 2.0. So this is what the front looks like, and headlights a little smoked out. We'll go in the backside real quick, and I got the Michelin tires right here, and even downgraded on this to 17s. So you got 17-inch wheels. What do you guys think about this design? Looks like Honda's kind of making cheap stuff now. Looks like it. It's not as nice as what it used to be, but that's the back side, and you can see the curve on the side right there. See that curved line going around, and then you got on the side, the bottom as well. You get the rockers are even just literally matte black plastic. The side rockers. I see the back even too, and the front. That's how bad this is right now. You got a moonroof, of course, on top. It's all right. And then you got the keyless entry, as you can see. That's what the interior looks like. We'll go in the interior right now in a bit. Let's check the back. It's super windy and cold out right now, so let's get this done real quick. But yeah, comment below what you guys think. What do you guys think about the rear end? Finally, that it's in person now, we can actually see it. All right, so that will be your signals right there. You got a super small emblem on the back, and then you got the reverse light here. Great. I assume it's all LEDs right there. And yeah, the back pretty simple. Nothing much going on in the backside. And this is let's go underneath real quick for those who are interested in exhaust stuff like that. So you got one woofer on this side, one on that side, all right? And yeah. There you go. On this side, you got the window trim, chrome, all of it, and then you got the 1.5 EX. So you got 31,160. Of course, you got to put taxes and all the fees are in there too, so a couple of grand extra on top of that. But yeah, that's the EX, and there's an EX and an LX model. Those are not hybrid. Above anything above EX and LX will be hybrid. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just comment below. But yeah, so you got the side blind spot monitor system on this side as well. But look at this thing. Since I got my Accord over here, just look at the rear, how big of a difference that is. It's 11 gen, 10 gen, of course, but again, oh man. That's a big difference. Let's go to the front real quick. You got a smooth transition right here. And I know super dirty out. It was winter, so there you go. Look at that. What would you take, that or that? But very sad the fact that they made the 2.0. They stopped making the 2.0s. They stopped making them. And yeah, right off the bat, you open the side door, and then you got a door. This is a total different design from the previous one. Of course, the interior is all changed out. So there you have it. And then on the inside, the vents. The vent is a different design, but again, it's almost like the Civics, honestly, just a little wider now. I mean, it's an Accord, so Accords are wide, so it's like, but it's like copy and paste of a Civic, you know what I mean? And we got the motorized seats on this one. This is a EX, so let's just get in there. So comment below on, finally get out that wind. So comment below what you guys think, honestly. Steering wheel and the EX, there's no leather or anything like that. A really rough surface, and all carpet as well. Just a little bit of just a little bit of leather here and there, but nothing too crazy. And vents that side, you got over there. Control the vents over here. So you still got the adaptive cruise control. All right, so you got all tech stuff in here. Hazards, I guess, open and close. You got a bunch of vents over here, right there as well. And yeah, what the front looks like. Looks like this is upgraded to the Type C USB charging, and I assume CarPlay right here or Android Auto. So just start it and see. That's a startup. All right. So my door is open. I wonder I could hear that wind sound. So I gotta really smack it. All right. So I gotta really like smack it to close it. Yeah. Let's see what else is there. All right. So you got all the stuff on this side. All right, back. Okay. So everything is here. They're both digital. Back, customized display, Bluetooth, USB, AM, FM, back, customized display. You got hide and show, display content, stuff like that. That's about it on this one. Got the gas meter right there, full and end at the bottom. That's what this would look like. That's an EX model, so. And then you got the touchscreen on the EX model as well. This is pretty. So you got the heated seats, both sides, passenger and driver side. You got the defogger in the rear and the side mirror. You got the AC on and off. Shoulder right there. Sync. You got this. See, it just changes inside and there. So pretty cool. Yep. So you got parking, reverse, neutral, drive, sport, and L. When I was a kid learning how to drive the car. I was told this is what L is for learning. So let's find out. Comment below what you guys think, if this is correct or not. L for learning or not. You got the parking brakes engaged, disengaged, brake and hold feature, econ, help you save gas on long trips, auto start feature on this as well. So you got the dome lights right here, white, cool, finally. So that's just on and off. But now if you open the doors, this will light up. So you get some light in there. Moonroof for your glasses, shades, whatever. And the visors, you do get light over here on the sides. And yeah, mirror. Cool. See the passenger side real quick as well. So same thing on that side. All right, just turn off the audio because it's we don't want to get copyrighted on the video. And then you got connect menu, see what features you got. So you could change it from here and also from the screen as well. So yeah, so you got both ways, whatever you're used to. Yep, that's pretty much it, fam. Comment below what you guys think. Yeah. This is the backside. Just want to show you the backside real quick as well. Turn it off. I'll show you guys the backside. And then we'll end the video there. Actually, turn on the headlights to show you guys. There. That's what the headlights are gonna look like. All right. Oh, it's flickering so much, the camera. There you go. And the space in the back. Let's unlock it. This is all the space you get in the back. I was sitting pretty comfortable in the front, so yeah, pretty spacious in the back as well as usual. Nice. All right, fam. That concludes the video. So peace out until next time. Comment below. Should we take this for a spin and make a video? Just comment below. Ask any questions and stuff like that you may have. And I'll try to answer them for you in the next video of the driving one. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. I appreciate your support, and peace until next time.